Welcome to the second part of the video. I just removed the circuit board with buttons, the power LED reset and the power switch from the case, from the front of the case. It also has the brass risers that are present here on the circuit board, and they were placed right here in this area. The only thing that I did, because they were marked here, I didn't know the server case had this kind of things, and make it very simple for the users to. So the seller, it seems that they somehow written here with the pen the power LED, the power switch, hard drive, and the reset switch right here. The only thing that I did, I just removed the pins that are here and put it in the sideways differently, because they were written, and I'm going to show you on the motherboard because they were just similar and very normal. Let me use my tripod so I can show you. They basically look pretty much the same. There's nothing changed. It's just the cables are pretty much the same. So yeah. Let me zoom in so I can show you. They're just, as you can see right here, there is just the reset, the power switch button, the connector that I installed here, and everything seems to be working fine. The power switch, however, is behind, so is in this spot right here. So the TL is positive and the black it's negative. That's shown right here. And the only thing that I did, I just removed from the circuit board. Let me use my tripod once again, show you about the flickering, but and was very easy to adapt to a normal computer case and a normal motherboard. Yeah, as you can see right here, it says the front panel, and alongside with the other connection for the reset power LED and the power switch. So everything is safe, seems to be working fine. And I'm going to make you a demonstration, and afterwards I'm going to start cleaning the case. Okay, let me turn on the power supply, because it's here. And now the power LED will be here. So, okay. Let me power the computer. And the LED also works, and the computer did start properly. Okay, so I'll be starting the cleaning the case, and see you very shortly, guys.
I keep on falling for you. And it's hard to get over such a beautiful lie when I still want you closer. I ain't longing for closure, and I'm wondering why. No matter what I do, I keep on falling for you. such a beautiful lie. When I still want you closer, I am longing for closure, and I'm wondering why. No matter what I do, I keep on falling for you.